the sum of your charges.
Can I please?
That India was exporting oxygen supplies, not augmenting our own production capabilities, and therefore we're now literally, Sanju Verma, gasping for air. Respond to Raghav Chadha.
You know, Rahul, I have been listening to Raghav Chadha very patiently, and I'm sure he'll extend me the same courtesy. I would hate to politicize this entire paucity of oxygen issue because we are all in this together, and I'm glad that Raghav Chadha acknowledged, albeit grudgingly, that Union Cabinet Ministers of the Modi government have gone out on a limb to ensure that the shortage of oxygen in Delhi hospitals is duly resolved, cutting across political ideologies, what have you. Having said this, let me tell you very categorically that in FY20, we exported 4,500 MT of oxygen, liquid medical grade oxygen. In FY21, yes, we exported 9,000 MT of medical grade oxygen. But that was because in the first COVID wave, the daily demand for oxygen was between 700 to 2,800 metric ton. Now suddenly in the second wave, the demand has risen to more than 3,200 MT per day. But I have also got the latest data from Health Ministry. I am told that while the demand per day is 3,200 MT, the supply is close to 7,300 MT, and we have 50,000 metric tons of surplus medical grade oxygen in stock. So then what is causing this hullabaloo about lack of oxygen? I think as Rajesh, Siddhant Jain of Inox Products, which is the largest manufacturer of medical grade oxygen, rightfully said 24 hours back, it's not the lack of oxygen, but it's the lack of trucks, lack of oxygen cylinders, and lack of cryogenic tankers to transport medical grade oxygen from one place to another, which is causing all the associated problems. I just want to tell Raghav Chadha one thing. It's all very well to castigate the Modi government and say that we asked for 700 MT, you initially gave us 378, then you raised it to 500 MT after 7 petitions. Excuse me, health is a subject which belongs to the state government or respective union territories. Raghav Chadha, does Delhi's, no, let me complete, I did not interrupt him, Rahul. Does Delhi's Health Minister Satyendra Jain have no responsibility? Does Delhi's Transport Minister Kailash Gehlot have no responsibility? Arvind Kejriwal spent 659 crores in the last 1 year on stupid advertisements on national television saying, मेरे बाबूजी ने वैक्सीन लगा ली है जी, मैंने वैक्सीन लगा ली है जी. Tell me how many hospital beds did Arvind Kejriwal set up since he came to power the second time round? Tell me how many hospitals did you establish since Arvind Kejriwal came to power the second time round? And I want to ask you,
so you asked several questions.
Should union territories not be held accountable?
Okay.
Does Arvind Kejriwal have no accountability to the
so you asked several questions.
That's my point.
Let Raghav Chadha respond to this, because this question is being asked by the central BJP.